purr, pop off queen. It's kind of like that. What are you laughing at?
Okay, boomer.
I think that's so rude.
Holla!
Yeah.
Holla!
Yeah, so you know that one.
Raise the roof.
Kidsplaining episode 2, slang, take 1.
Fat. P-H-A-T, fat.
I feel like I've heard of that, but I don't know what that is.
Fat.
Fat. You don't know what it means?
No.
I don't either.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you what I think it means.
I say it all the time. I'm so embarrassed. Fat.
Like you got a dumpy, like a nice bum.
Is that right?
I would say you're pretty correct. Fat.
What?
That's fat, just means that's cool.
What?
Oh.
Oh, really?
See, I kind of
We
use
were so
fat, like thick with 2 C's.
Yeah.
That outfit is fat. Yeah. That's how we
I
used it
didn't know
back then.
that. Da bomb.
Da bomb.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys use that?
I know what this one means.
What do you think it means?
Like these cookies are da bomb. Like they're really good. Like
The bomb is basically
Yeah,
just
this
really
one is,
cool.
I would
yeah.
say, bombard. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever.
You look bombard, like means you look like a blast. These are the slang words mainly used in India and Pakistan, in Urdu and Hindi, I would say.
This reminds me of
Mean Girls.
Mean Girls. What's the 411?
Yeah, what's the 411? Tell me everything.
If you dial 411 on your house phone, on the wall. The house phone on the wall. You've
Oh,
never used
those.
Yes, the house phone on the wall. You dial 411, it gets to the operator, and it's basically information, and you can ask for information. That's sort of where that term came from.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
It's like what's the hot gossip? Like what's the tea? Like what's happening?
That's it. What's the T?
Yeah.
All that and a bag of chips.
No, you see somebody that looks good, and they are all that and a bag of chips. Just that little
And a
extra
bag of chips.
something. Your dad is all that and a bag of chips. He's so hot though.
Okay. Anyway.
So that's it. Oh, you should.
Okay, that doesn't really make sense to me, but like, I guess that's okay.
Yeah, I didn't really use it that much, but yeah.
Talk to the hand, Jake. Do you know what that? Talk to the hand.
Yeah. Talk to the hand. Like I'm done with you.
Talk to the hand, I'm not gonna talk to you.
Yeah, talk to the hand.
Talk to the hand.
Get
Talk
out of my
to the hand.
face. Yeah.
Oh, I've heard this. I don't know what it means. It's really weird. Like I've seen it on Vine. Like talk to the hand, not the face. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
okay.
Leaving alone. Okay.
Talk to the hand.
Yeah. Dafaho.
Oh, I know what that means.
Dafaho. Yeah.
It just means
dafaho.
leave me alone. in
Dafaho.
Urdu.
Hola.
It's holla.
Hola.
Yeah.
Why would you call it hola?
Holla.
I was gonna say hola. I need to. Holla!
Yeah.
Holla!
Yeah, so you
Raise
know that
the
one.
roof.
It's like holler.
What's holla?
A word.
Subscribe to Parents and let us know your answers in the comments below.
So let's start with the first teen slang. You can go to the first slide.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
This one is bussin. Do you know what this one means?
Like, cool. Or
They mainly use it for food. When it tastes good, like, man, this food bussin'.
Good?
Yeah, like it tastes really good.
Does your dad cook at all? And if so, is his food bussin'?
Yeah, I'd say it's bussin'. His food is good. He makes a lot of jokes about whose food is better, his or my mom's. And usually there's no winner.
Honestly?
I don't know how you can use bussin' in relation to food that's delicious.
Well, you can.
Again, I'm
You
just gonna
can
go back
use
to what I've
it.
always heard bussin' for as a kid. That's bussin' tables.
okay, I'm Jake. I'm sitting at dinner. I can't even do it. This cake is bussin', Mom.
Okay, well yeah, you used it right. You just don't have the right definition.
I know bussin' from this TikToker named Janelle. People will be
just
like,
say it, the food is
Janelle,
good, just say the food's
is that
delicious, that's all.
bussin'? Is that bussin', Janelle?
Drip. Do you know
Drip.
what that means?
Okay, I think drip is your outfit, your clothes.
Okay.
You're dripping.
You're in the right ballpark.
So that's like a drop. A drop of drip.
Do you know what that is? I know what that is.
No.
When someone has drip, they have a nice outfit, like they look good. Why did you make that face?
It's completely different than what I was thinking, that's why.
What were you thinking?
Hello.
No, tell me.
In Pakistan, if someone is getting IV, we used to call it, oh, he's getting drip. That's what, So that's what's coming in my mind.
I think of things like that are dripping, or change the drip in a IV
I don't.
bottle,
Nobody
or
says that.
Drip like my rings, my necklaces, my shoes.
My dad had those in 1982, I think.
Yeah, she calls them my grandpa's shoes, which I don't really agree with, but you know.
Ow!
Okay, boomer.
Okay, boomer.
Yeah,
I think
like-
that's so rude. But
like
I'm
to
not
say
a
that.
boomer.
Yeah, but like I like to say it to you anyway.
I'll just say that it's the perfect way to describe you. It's just a way of telling them that they're not up to date with like what kids are doing nowadays.
So you're gonna call me okay boomer.
That sweater, you need to tuck that in. Okay, boomer.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm old enough to be called a boomer.
Umbrella term.
purr. So, what a cat says? I don't even know why you're saying it that way.
I thought purr was P-E-R this whole time. Not like purr, but purr,
Like per usual.
it makes so much more sense
Purr.
now.
Purr.
Meow.
Yeah.
When someone posts something like really nice on their Instagram, like they look good on it, they just go purr, pop off, queen. It's kind of like that. What are you laughing at?
Slay.
Slay?
Yeah.
Slay. Slay.
I like this word. You use this
But
word.
it's slay is, you have to do a finger snap. That's kind of like work.
Yeah.
W-E-R-K, work.
Yeah.
Slay is like expression of I did it, or
Yeah.
you're doing it.
That's the
That's
only
how-
one you know pretty well.
Yeah, because you use it all the time.
Oh no. Sus. Okay. You don't know what it is.
No.
Okay.
Oh my God, sus.
Sus.
I've heard the kids use it a lot, and I was able to figure it out, but like
I thought I
suspicious
told you.
or suspect.
This is my favorite word.
He
I
says
love this
sus
word.
all the time.
Do you know what it means?
Sus is suspect.
Okay.
Or, well, is it
Well,
not?
like, okay, so it derives from this game called Among Us.
When someone's acting weird, you say, "Hey man, you're acting kind of sus."
I do say sus a lot.
The continental breakfast at our
was-
hotel.
The muffins were sus. They
Sus.
were a little stale.
Oh, I know what this
Finsta.
is. I was talking
What's
about this the
Finsta?
other day.
Do you know what this one is?
Okay, you had to explain Finsta to me. It's a fake Insta, which seems really dumb because you already have an Insta.
Like normal Instagram is where you share things that you want everyone to see, and Finsta's more like for your friends.
Oh, so like you would have a separate Instagram that
Yeah.
I wouldn't know about,
Well, I would tell
and
you.
you would
'cause- yeah.
share things with your friends that I wouldn't see. That's good to know.
That's basic, but I don't use it. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
I don't have Finsta.
I don't know. It just like takes away the stigma of having like a perfect Instagram. You can just have a fake one for
It's a
your
lot
friends.
of passwords you have to remember.
No cap. This is a popular one. I think this is the most popular one we've had.
No cap means like I'm not lying. I'm not lying. My brother
So
and
for
his
real.
friends say it. Well, no cap just sounds better.
No, I think we used to use for real all the time.
Well, now we use no cap. So
And when someone is saying like something that's not true, then you say, "Stop the cap." Like, stop lying. Stop the cap just means stop lying.
Like your dad is cool, no cap.
Stop the cap.
You think I'm crazy? I'm not crazy. Hey, if you think I'm crazy, subscribe to Parents and comment below.